bantu baka Sweet Guluva abanye bethu asibheki Big Brother, asibheki sesimazi ngo Sweet Guluva ngoba niyasidina kuma comments enu, and you are ruining his or her chances because seniyasidina. Honestly niyasidina, nifana nalaba abathi I used to be like this and this, and thanks to Sister Sbanbani for helping me. You are messing up with our chances galo Sweet Guluva wenu, because we cannot deal with njalo mas poster send is forced ukuthi sivote lo Sweet Guluva lo wenu. Uyogcina ngawinanga lo Sweet Guluva wenu because of nina. Nihleli la si right. We don't watch Big Brother, some of us asibheki. So stop it in my comments, guys, stop it.